Hey guys, I'm the creator of the Anki add-on called Flashcard Chess, and in this video I'm going to be going over how to download Anki, how to set it up, how to download the Flashcard Chess add-on, how to set that up, and then also what study setting recommendations I think you guys can use. This video is just meant for people who've never used Anki who want to get started day one and just avoid all the headaches of having to figure out how to set it up. Okay, so step one is to actually download Anki. You can do that either by searching for Anki download in Google or just going directly to this web link, apps.ankiweb.net. Once you're on this website, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom. And once you're all the way down, you can choose desktop or mobile, stick a desktop, and download the version that's right for you. And that's going to start downloading Anki. And then while you're downloading Anki, I recommend you can sign up for your Anki web account. So you click to ankiweb.net/account/login. And in the top right corner, you can just set up your Anki web account. Okay, so at this point, you've downloaded Anki and you also generated your Anki web account. Next is to link them together. And so you open up Anki, and it's not going to look like this when you first see it. It's going to be really bright, but you can change those settings and preferences. And it's not going to have some bells and whistles you see on the screen, but that's because I have a bunch of different add-ons on my account. Regardless, you can change that. But if you want to sync them together, you're going to have to click the top right button called Sync. When this is clicked, you're going to see a login screen pop up. Put in your email, put in your password, and then if it's correct, it's going to all link together. And once you successfully log in, what's going to happen is the Anki desktop is going to ask you either to, if you want to upload your collection to them, or if you want to download your collection from the website. Since you don't have any cards on the desktop app or on the website, you can click whichever button you want. It's honestly not going to make a difference at all. Now your account is linked to the website. Next is to actually download the Flashcard Chess add-on. And to do that is very simple as well. You now go to this web link, ankiweb.net/shared/add-ons. Okay? Then you're going to type in the Flashcard Chess name of the add-on, and then it pops up. Nothing going on here yet because I just released it. And so once you're here, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to copy this code, or you can just copy it from this video screen as you see here. And once you copy this code, you're going to go back to Anki. Okay? You're going to go up to Tools. You're going to go to Add-ons. You're going to go to the top right button, Get Add-ons, and you're quite literally just going to be typing this code directly and hitting OK. The moment you hit OK, it's going to download the add-on for you, and then Anki is going to recommend that you restart the app. I agree with them. You should close the app and restart it. And then once that happens, you're going to be seeing that the top left corners are going to be showing the Flashcard Chess dropdown. And then you're going to be able to use all the functionality of the add-on as well as anything else in Anki that you would like. And you can begin studying. And you can go onto the website, download your cards, transfer them over, and start studying chess. Okay. And now lastly, I'm also going to be going over what I recommend you use for your study settings. Okay, so to access any deck study settings, you always go to the deck in the middle of the screen and you click this little gear icon. Once you click it, you go to Options, and then this is what I recommend. First off, I recommend you scroll all the way down. You activate this button for FSRS. There's plenty of information online if you guys want to learn more about the space repetition algorithm, but for right now, FSRS is great. Once you activate it, you scroll all the way back to the top. You say you want 9,999 new cards per day maximum, and maximum reviews 9,999. And the idea behind this is you're not going to get that many because you don't have that many cards. It's basically just saying, oh, if there's something I should be reviewing today, let me review it today. Then you're going to be doing learning steps of 10 minutes, relearning steps of 10 minutes. The leash threshold, I believe the setting at the beginning is 8. I use 5. That doesn't really matter, but I like using 5. And then in terms of display orders, you want to choose new card gather order for the deck, card type, then order gathered. For new review order, show before reviews. For intraday learning review order, show after reviews. For review sort order, due date, then random. And then of course, keep the desired retention at the automatic setting, which I believe is 90%. 90% works great. And then all these should be disable buttons. I recommend maximum answer seconds of 90 seconds because you're going to be doing chess lines, which could be a little bit longer than say another flashcard someone would do in 60 seconds. And then you can scroll all the way down and you'll see that the maximum interval is going to be something like 36,500. I recommend putting it at 365. And honestly, that's pretty much it. So that is how you set up Anki. You hit save at the top right. And at this point, you can check the other videos out about how to use the add-on, how to use the website, and you're ready to get studying. All right, thank you.